guys, my name is Lauren, and today I got a mail or a parcel from someone, and the name is not indicated on the parcel. I don't know where it came from, and this is how it looks like. It means electronic inside. So it's only indicated my channel here. Look at that. It's Lawrence Garden Arts and Music without the sender, and that's the address, my address. Now let's do the unboxing. Here it is.
Guys, before we do the unboxing, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please click the notification button so that whenever I have a new upload or live stream, you can see me immediately. Thank you so much, guys, and here it is.
Let's open it. So this is a mini. Oops. Let's see. Hope you can see it. This is a mini electric chainsaw because I am a gardener, and yeah, let's check it out. I hope the thing inside is a chainsaw. Oh my god. Of course it is. See, I have scissor. So let's take it open, but now I couldn't make the testing of it. So this is only for unboxing. Let's see what's inside this cute package. It's around 2 kilograms. It's from Saker. Thank you, Saker, for sending me. So guys, this is a Saker mini chainsaw, as I was told. So let's check it out. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. There's a manual here. I think it is in German. Let's see. That's the warning thing. And let's check it out inside. There is English translation. No, it's only in German. So guys, let's set aside that. And in the box there is a screwdriver. There is a mother screw remover or tightener. I don't know how do you call it. I call it like that. And there's an oil here. So now the main attraction. Here is the mini chainsaw. I hope you can see it in the camera. So, because I can't see it myself. So this is the mini chainsaw. The name is Saker. Mini electric chainsaw. It has a speed of 780 per minute. Guide plate length 128 mm. So I think this is the guide plate, and there's a note here. Do not cut wood which is more than 4 inches. Do not overpress the machine when cutting wood. So there is an instruction here so that you will remember how to use it if you're working with it. So there's a caution here. It's also written in English. do not touch the guide plate with any limbs. So it means do not touch this one, because this chain, this is so cute, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. So we have here the um charger. It's a simple charger for this kind of I don't know what is the size of this. And
There are two rechargeable battery here.
let's open it. So it says 1.5 ampere, maximum of 20 volts. Is a lone battery. Here is the second one. So they look like that. It's the same. It's also from their company, Saker. The next thing that we could do is try this one. So be careful not to touch that blade. So let's put the battery on. So just like that. Wait until it's click. And there's a power button here. So it's on. And now how to use it is push this button, and then push the, I don't know what do you call this, so just like this, and see, look at that. Wow, it seems like it's very, wow, it's so nice. So guys,
If you are interested with this Saker mini chainsaw, you can check it out at any Amazon online shop. For your information, guys, this is not a sponsor from Amazon, but it's in Amazon. It was sponsored by Saker company. So thank you, Saker, for sponsoring me this cute, and I think this is a powerful machine. Thank you so much. It will gonna make my garden work more faster than before using the garden scissor or garden cutter. Um, yeah, but of course, thank you so much, Saker. Please watch out for the actual usage of this mini chainsaw. I'm going to make the video, of course, outside, and I want to try it actually, and I want to cut those twigs from everything in the garden. So, guys, thank you so much. And of course, thank you so much, Saker, for letting me make a review video on on your product. Guys, before we end this video, I just want to show you how to remove this battery. It's easy, just press down and just like that. So, yeah, that's our mini chainsaw Saker. I will return back here, ready for using for the next video.
so guys, that was our unboxing with this Saker chainsaw or mini chainsaw. For this time, that's only the unboxing, and thank you so much. If you have questions about the function and things about this, please write down below to the comment section, and I will answer it the way I can. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, this is Lauren. God bless you all. Bye bye.